determined to look the devil in the eye.
Who would have thought it'd be so beautiful?
Like the halo in a medieval painting of Christ's ascension.
Bright as the light to be seen at the end of the world, and at its beginning too. Light that preceded the Word, that preceded the God who now seems dead.
I no longer consider the Pentagon a safe shelter. Brighter than two stars.
It blasted, it pounced, it bored its way right through me. It was a sight that was seen with more than the eye.
An intense flash of light, and a sensation of heat on the parts of my body that were exposed. The countryside lit up brighter than in full daylight.
Prospero ignored the affairs of state for his love of books and magic.
Prometheus condemned to eternal torment for giving the fire of the gods to humanity.
Epimetheus ignored the consequences of actions, both of his own and of his beloved wife Pandora's.
The last milliseconds of the Earth's existence, the last man will see what we have just seen.
Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
Monday morning quarterback is the easiest position on any team to play. It has led me to question von Neumann's idea that you don't have to be responsible for the entire world that you're in. When you're doing science, you enter a different world, okay? You're using what you know to imagine what you don't know. Look at possibilities and filter some of them out, the wrong ones, the ugly ones, but not at first. This is very interesting, not the impossible ones. Solving a problem is a beautiful experience. Like all beauty, it gives pleasure, it's excitement. Original theory is absolutely beautiful because it is unsullied by experimental proofs, only as finite as your imagination's ability to grasp a possibility of possibilities. In the ether of pure science, for finite moments, unexpected and exquisitely profound, a scientist can discover truth. We were children then, students, grad students, teaching assistants, fellows, docs, postdocs, even full-fledged scientists, but not necessarily adults. Rabi called physicists Peter Pans of the human race. We never grow up, we always keep our curiosity. We get carried away too. What happened to me, what happened to the rest of us is we started for a good reason, and it was pleasure, it was excitement, and we stopped thinking. You know, we just stopped thinking. Leo Szilard was the only one of us who kept on thinking, and he was ostracized for it. After the war, my friend Klaus Fuchs was arrested. Turns out he was selling our secrets to our allies, the Russians. When I was young, when I was single, I thought science could do good things for everybody. I mean, it was obviously useful, it was good, it was fun. After the war, I worried about the bomb. I didn't know what the future was going to look like, and I certainly didn't know it was going to last until now. Therefore, one question is there some evil involved in science? Put another way, what is the value of the work I had dedicated my life to when I saw it could do such terrible things? Have you ever done anything wrong in your life? Didn't realize it till afterward? Worse than being wrong is the belated awareness that you didn't even bother to consider the possibility that you could be wrong. Atomic bombers and their bomb, our bomb, my bomb, ended the war. Peace came to the world around me, but to the world within me. Head, heart, conscience, consciousness. Yes and no. Is Mr. Feynman joking? I wish I were.